Prep Test 70, Game 1, Question 2 asks us if Z performs sometime before Y, which is the earliest space in which W could perform. So let's get our limited options up on the board again, and let's try to place Z earlier than Y. So we know that Y has to be in space 1, 2, or 3, and we know that Z has to come sometime after V. Therefore, as we already see in our options, Z can't be the first. But in order to have Y still fit in the first three, we better put Z second. So Z, Y, and V must be our first three. The question is, which is the earliest space W could go? So we see down here that W could go in space 4. And we also see up here how W could go in space 4. So the answer is